Hi all. Today we are going to discuss on web technology. Firstly, we discuss on what is web technology. Web technology refers to the tools, protocols and languages used to create, deliver and interact with the content on the internet including web browsers like HTML, CSS, JavaScript and other technologies. It essentially enables computers to communicate and exchange the information over the internet, like forming the uh, foundation of the World Wide Web, like for example www. Next, like we discuss on overview of the web technology. Firstly, here we need to know what are the main concepts. Like there are mainly three concepts over here. Firstly, like front end technologies, back end technologies, and web protocols and hosting. Uh, in front end technologies, like this includes HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, which we use it to design the structure, style, and interactivity of websites. Frameworks like React, JS, Angular, and Vue.js enhance user experience and performance. Coming to the backend technologies, like the layer handles the server side logic and databases and APIs are common backend languages, including Node.js, Python, for example, like and PHP, Ruby, and Java databases, and like MySQL, MongoDB, and PostSQL support the data storage. Then coming to the web protocols and hosting. Here we communicate over the web, relies and on protocols like HTTP or HTTPS, like with hosting provided via web servers like for example Apache or Nginx, and cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, GCP, ensuring that scalability and performance and security. We can you can see the picture over there, like what all technologies we are using. Mainly we have to learn in web technology was like HTML, CSS was the basic thing. Firstly, we go to HTML. What is HTML? HTML is a hypertext markup language. uh, it is the standard language used to create and design web pages. It structures the content using a system of elements, also called tags, such as uh, HTML tag, head tag, body tag, H1 tag, P tag, A tag, I, IMG tag, div tag, span tag. Okay, we know what are all the things. What is HTML tag now? This is the root element. Then head tag. A head tag contains the metadata like title tag and links in CSS. Body tag. A body tag holds the visible content of the page. Then coming to H1 to H6 tag. These are all place the headings. If you are using headings or anything like boulder like that, like we can use this H1 to H6 tags. Similar to P tag. A P tag is like paragraph tag. If you are using any paragraphs or a content which includes the paragraph, we can use a P tag. Then coming to A tag. A tag for linkings, it links the website or like YouTube link or Instagram link. We can link using this A tag. Okay, then coming to img tag, this like for displaying the images we use this tag. Div tag and span tag, it usually those are all containers for styling and layout. Okay, like HTML is not a programming language actually. It is a markup language that tells browsers how to display the text, images, links, and also any videos or other media. Uh, like here, like I have displayed the simple code. Firstly, like we have to save a file in .html extension. This is you need to keep in your mind, like you should not miss anyway. If you are writing the code, web page, web tag or HTML code, that file should be saved in .html extension. Okay, so here, for example, I have a file of demo. I have saved in .html format. Okay, this is the sample simple code which I am showing here. Firstly, like doc type HTML. Uh, this is this actually helps to display the HTML page. Without the doc type HTML tag, the HTML code doesn't works. Okay. Then we are writing. Um, we have to open the HTML code, HTML tag. Then coming to after HTML tag. Uh, uh, I'm like head. We need to give a head tag, right? In head tag, I am. We have to particularly. This is the structure you have to follow. You have to HTML tag, head tag, and title tag. Close the head tag, body tag. In body tag, whatever the code will be there, you have to represent the code over there, and then close the body tag. Then close the um, HTML tag. Okay, this is the main structure of the HTML code. You have to remember this. Here, like I have used of in head tag, I have given a title tag like this is my first web page. I have closed the title tag and have closed the head tag. In head tag, we can only refer the title tag or if you are giving any link to the other page, like so that we are giving here, only those things will be present in head tag. Then I have opened the body tag here, like what I'm doing, I was writing a code. My thing is I want to display a message over here. What is the message is welcome to my website. This is the message or a word sentence I have to display on the web page. Okay, so I have used h1 tag, uh, and I have written the message welcome to my website and I have closed the h1 tag. Then again I have opened the h2 tag, same message I have given, and I have closed the h2 tag. Like this we can make is like these are the heading tags. H1 to H6 we can try it and we can see the differences. Okay, these are all we can see in next session actually. Then I have used um, p tag. This is a simple HTML page, like just I have written out one line of paragraph, small, and close it the p tag. These are all should be like how I represent the tags, right? Tags should be always in small letters. Remember it. Okay, don't use upper cases. And I have closed the body tag and I have closed the HTML tag. uh, a note actually I have said earlier you have to save a HTML file or a code HTML code in a .html extension. This is the note I have mentioned. Uh, Thank you. Further, we will